Can you bring closed snacks on a plane? Yes, you can bring closed snacks on a plane. When traveling by air, passengers are allowed to bring solid food items, including sealed or packaged snacks, in both carry-on and checked luggage. This means that items such as chips, cookies, granola bars, crackers, and even small sandwiches are permitted. Since these snacks are not liquids or gels, they do not fall under the TSA's 3.4-ounce limit that applies to beverages and similar items. Air travel regulations are designed to ensure safety and efficiency, and allowing solid food makes the journey more comfortable for travelers. Although you may be asked to remove your snacks from your bag during security screening for closer inspection, this is a standard procedure and should not cause any significant delays. It is always a good idea to pack your food in its original, sealed packaging to avoid any confusion at the checkpoint. That's it for now, guys. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.